शाम की चाय की बात ही कुछ अलग है। वैसे चाय समथिंग दैट यू कैन ड्रिंक एनी टाइम, सुबह शाम रात मिडनाइट कभी भी पी सकते हो, एंड दिस इज समथिंग दैट रिफ्रेशेस द सोल। आई मीन सीरियसली आई लव टी एट एनी पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम।
बट शेफ, चाय के साथ क्या?
ये तो नहीं सोचा, वैसे सब कुछ सोच लिया मैंने, एवरीथिंग इज स्क्रिप्टेड। सो आज आई एम गोना मेक अ सुपर सिंपल एग चाट रेसिपी, वो भी सिर्फ 12 से 14 मिनट में, with the help of Agaro Grand Egg Boiler, which is gonna make this recipe super convenient and quick. So let's start. तो सबसे पहले I'm gonna boil the eggs, and for that I'm gonna add water in this. So this tray is specifically for making poached eggs. This I don't need for now. And Agaro Grand Egg Boiler comes along with a measuring cup which has all the measurements here. So I'm gonna add about 140 ml of water here. So you can add the water pehle bhi, and you can add the water later also. And the interesting part, it has got a small pin in the base, जिसमें you need to take the egg और उसका जो wider part है, you need to make a small hole on that. A tiny cute hole, I don't know whether it's visible on the camera or not, but there's a very tiny hole. So be a little gentle to the eggs. Pierce them carefully. And then I'm going to cover this up and switch it on. और यहाँ पे मेरा काम खत्म होता है and the Agaro Grand Egg Boiler का काम start होता है. So I'm going to keep this aside for next 12 to 14 minutes, and meanwhile my favorite part, I'm going to chop the vegetables. Okay, so सबसे पहले I'm going to chop some tomatoes. तो उसके लिए obviously tomato तो चाहिए होगा. Favorite knife. So top part, bottom. Okay, so you're gonna just go from right to left. To remove the center. So especially when you're making vegetables for this, you need to understand कि egg का जो size है थोड़ा सा बड़ा रहेगा when we are cutting the eggs after boiling it. So it's very important that you cut the vegetables slightly bigger. You can mix and match the vegetables as well. Like if you're cutting tomatoes, you can cut slightly thicker. Onions you can slice and chop. It's just the way you want to. Here I'm using some tomatoes, some onions, a bit of chilies and coriander. If you want to add some green peppers, you can add that as well. So the good part about this recipe is like this is healthier version of chaat, because generally क्या होता है, whenever we eat chaat from the market, it has all fried item like save, everything is mixed, but इसमें we're gonna use limited save, but rest all vegetables and boiled egg of course. And the best part is जब तक ये पूरा vegetable prep हो जाएगा तब तक egg भी ready हो जाएगा. Next I'm gonna cut some chilies. So as per your taste you can add chilies. मुझे थोड़ा spicy पसंद है. और इसके साथ साथ last but not least I'm going to chop some coriander leaves. So let's chop that as well. You can make it fine, you can chop it slightly thicker, it's up to you. You know what is the best part? बातें करते करते eggs are ready. As I can see, ये cut off हो चुका है. That means it's ready. So I'm going to keep this aside. I need some ice water to keep the eggs there. So let me get the bowl. So it's always good to add the eggs, like boiled eggs, in cold water so that it stops cooking. And whenever you're doing this at home, make sure you use tongs, because these stunts are performed by professionals. So let it rest inside the water for good 30 seconds so that it stops cooking, and then it gets easy to peel also. और फिर इसको peel करेंगे, chop करेंगे और taste करके आपको बताएंगे कैसा है आज का रेसिपी. So whenever you're buying eggs, it's very important for you to understand कि किस लिए आप egg खरीद रहे हो. So if you're making any curry recipe, then you can definitely use the regular eggs. And if you're making poached, boiled or fried eggs, it's better to use cage free because the taste wise बहुत difference होता है. Finally is the time to mix the vegetables with egg. So let's take the vegetable. You drop all in the bowl. So finally eggs को cut करेंगे. So whenever you're cutting the eggs, no, make sure ज़्यादा छोटा नहीं करना है. Just make it, look at the color of the egg. Beautifully cooked. Just perfect. So you're gonna cut into quarters. So the good part, what I really like about this, the entire batch is cooked the same way. If you see, the whole batch is looking just identical. I think that's more than enough. And then I'm gonna add the masala in this. So a bit of chili powder, of salt. Go easy on salt, by the way, don't put too much. You'll be adding some chaat masala in this. Chaat masala mein bhi salt रहता है. Bit of vegetable oil. अब finally इसको mix करेंगे. So let's mix this up nicely. So whenever you're mixing it, no, it's very important that ये जो अनियंस है, वेजिटेबल्स हैं, हल्का सा प्रेस कीजिए विद स्पून. अगर हाथ यू वांट टू ऐड, यू कैन यूज हैंड्स. मेक श्योर कि सब्जी अच्छे से मिक्स हो जाए मसाले के साथ. दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. एंड इफ यू वांट टू ऐड मोर कोरिएंडर, यू आर फ्री टू डू दैट. So as you can see, this looks beautiful. It's nicely mixed. Masala is already there, ऊपर नीचे. And then I'm gonna add the eggs in this. So let's take the eggs. But very important, whenever you're adding eggs, don't mix it too much, नहीं तो पूरा अंडा टूट जाएगा. Be a little gentle on this, and at this level, I'm gonna add a bit of lemon in this. Once everything is mixed nicely, I'm gonna add some save in this, ताकि वो सेव का जो क्रंच है वो रहे. So be a little generous when you're adding save, because मुझे save बहुत पसंद है. Love that. Let's mix it for the final time, and it's the time to plate this. So इसको थोड़ा सा be a little gentle when you're plating this. Some extra save for extra crunch. A bit of coriander on top. Make this slightly green. Chaat masala and bit of oil to finish the whole thing. And there you go. Favorite egg chaat. So whether you're hungry at 5 o'clock in the evening or at 10 o'clock at night, with Agaro Grand Egg Boiler, your life will be super simple as boiling water. Cheers.